घर में काम चल रहा है गाइस, पर हम नहीं रुकेंगे। मुझे बहुत मज़ा आता है कपड़े उठा के ऐसे फेंकने में। आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई एंजॉय इट। शिट, डिड आई जस्ट कट माय क्लॉथ? Mic testing. Are you guys here? Keep on watching because this video is going to be really amazing. Hello my cute little Golgappas. How are you all doing? This is me Rishu, and if you're new to my channel, please take a moment and subscribe below. This video is going to be really interesting because I have come up with a Savannah haul and I'm so excited to share everything that I got from there. So let's just get into the video. This is the parcel. अब हम इसे खोलने वाले हैं। बहुत ज़्यादा कपड़े मंगवाए गाइस। तो हमारा बॉक्स खुल चुका है और अब हम करने वाले हैं अनबॉक्सिंग ऑफ एवरीथिंग दैट वी हैव गॉटन। सो लेट्स जस्ट डू इट। फर्स्ट अप इज अ वेरी क्यूट ड्रेस। I will definitely link everything in the description as well as with the price, so don't worry about it. For your reference, I have attached the image also here, यहाँ पर, ताकि आप देख पाएँ कि how this dress is gonna be looking on me. So guys, this is the dress. Polka dot is so in this season. I really wanted to get something for me. So this is the front part of the dress and this is how it looks from the back, and it's backless. So I think it's gonna be so much fun wearing this. सब कुछ भूल जाओ. And this comes with a scarf, which is also a polka dot one. So I can literally, like, you know, do this thing, or maybe I'll just remember Pooh from Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum and just vibe around because this dress is calling Pooh energy. Then we have another dress which is in pink color. और मैंने I think इसको एक purple color में भी order करी है because I love both of the colors and I really wanted something which is very plain, solid, chic. So yep, a midi dress. This is how long it is. So जो मेरे दिमाग में है इसके साथ करने को वो ये चीज़ है कि I think I'm gonna style it with a lot of belt or maybe some good chunky, you know, hand stack and maybe with some nice bold earrings. Then this outfit is gonna go crazy. The best thing that you can do with solid dresses is you can style them in like n number of ways. Either with jewelry or you experiment with boots, or if not boots, you add a jacket or a blazer and then the whole outfit is like changed. It's just so different than what it was. So I think we're gonna do that with these two outfits. So yep. और दिखाती हूँ भी, बहुत सारे कपड़े मेरे पास हैं. So whenever I'm ordering something, there has to be something white or beige because again वो दोनों भी मेरे favorite color हैं. So I think this is a dress again. It should be a dress. I think it is a dress. And I don't know why this time I've shopped like very similar pattern dresses. I think मेरे मूड पर डिपेंड करता है. एक दिन मेरा मूड हो गया कि ग्रीन कलर मुझे पसंद आ रहा है तो सब कुछ ग्रीन ले आऊँगी मैं उस दिन अगर मैं शॉपिंग करने चली गई हूँ तो. और कभी अगर मेरा मन ब्लू का होता है तो everything is blue the other day. I don't know why, but it is what it is. So this is a white dress that I've got in. Again, it's so comfortable. The cloth is so soft. So this dress has a thing here. I have to style it like this is an off-shoulder dress. So maybe when I'm styling, I have to add like a belt or something to make it look more boho or chic or something. But I'm definitely going to experiment a lot with jewelries because that's the only thing I could do. I don't like adding a lot of layer to the outfits. But maybe we'll learn how I'm learning to vlog and do hauls. But that's how it is. Okay, so we are done with 4 dresses and I think that was all in dresses, or shayad nahi. Let me check once again before I come to any conclusion. And now I have something which is very street wear kind of thing. So it's just like a normal top or sweatshirt. It's not a sweatshirt. I expected it to be a sweatshirt, but बहुत ही पतला material है. It's calling me. I don't know why these bank people keep on calling for loan, XYZ thing. I don't even want anything, bro. I'm struggling, but still I'll manage. Anyways, so I wanted something like a sweatshirt, but this is definitely not a sweatshirt, but I think it's gonna go really well with a nice pair of shorts or maybe a skirt, and I think I can experiment a lot with this particular piece. So yeah, this is a very comfortable top, shirt, whatever. And as I said, we have one more dress. So I think I've ordered 5 dresses and then rest other chutput things. But this dress is so pretty. Like मुझे नहीं पता है कैमरा में कैसी दिख रही है, लेकिन मेरी आँखों के सामने तो ये बहुत प्यारी लग रही है. Let me show this to you. It's so princessy. I love it. How pretty this dress could be. and this has a shimmer print on it, if you guys can see, and it's looking super gorgeous. I think I'm gonna look like a princess in this for sure. I love this dress. Savannah, you've done a fabulous job in creating this outfit because I can't wait to style this one. How pretty, और इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा ही घेर है, so I can do twirls and everything that I like doing. And it's so fun. I'll definitely enjoy wearing this dress, and it looks like it's gonna be really comfortable. For bottoms, I have got myself a nice pair of skirts. I really wanted one for like a really long time, and this is how the skirt is looking. It's so pretty, it's so cute, and I think it's gonna go with like a lot of tops and different color tops. It could go with green, pink, purple, beige, black, blue, anything, because I think it just adds too much. And this has a band piche. So why are you disturbing me? Sorry guys. So this has a band behind. I can make a bow, like a proper bow piche se, and look like a princess. So I love it. And next up is a very different thing than others. ऐसा मैंने कभी कहीं देखा नहीं था और मैंने ऑर्डर भी नहीं करा था और मुझे दिख गया था. I was like कि चलो लेते हैं. So this is a pant, but this thing has like a skirt kind of look also. तो मैंने ये मंगवाई है, and I think I'm gonna wear it like with a kurta. It's gonna look so nice and boho. And again, these are like baggy pants, but not that baggy too. I love it. It's so stretchable. See the material, and I think I can feel that this is gonna be super comfortable to me. This stretches so well. I love stretchy jeans, and I love this part. It's so good. अभी तो मैं खोल के फेंक रही हूँ सारे कपड़े एक साइड में. जब घड़ी करने की बारी आएगी तब मुझे रोना आएगा. Now we have a white top. बस हमारी शॉपिंग खत्म होने वाली है गाइस. एक चीज़ और बची है. This is a very nice soft sa white top that I've got. I love wearing white a lot. So yeah, it's a nice net. I can't say even this is a net, but it's a very cute, nice top. बहुत ज़्यादा stretch भी होता है. So again, we can style it like in winters. Definitely, it's a winter material. And now I have something again in white. This is how it's gonna look. It's so cute. It looks so nice, and I think I'm gonna style it like in 1,000 ways. It goes with skirts, it goes with pants, it goes with shorts, and I think it's gonna go with like a lot of things. I think it'll go on a dress also. Maybe I'll just make a video how to style this particular jacket in like 10 ways if I know how to. Alright, so this was everything that I've got, but do you guys want to look at the other side of the frame? Let me give you a look. देखो, यहाँ बहुत सारे कपड़े हैं जिनकी घड़ी अब मुझे करनी पड़ेगी, and I'm so sad about that. But that's okay. It makes sense if you guys liked everything that I showed to you. I hope you guys had fun watching the video, and I hope you end up buying something from it. So I'm super excited about it. Let me know which one was your favorite dress, shorts, or maybe anything, and I'm super excited to just shower some love on that. But till then, stay tuned. Take care. Bye-bye.